Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for a Big Mac, but since we're making party dishes for holiday gatherings, let's make Big Mac sliders.
All right, let's make Big Mac sliders. Today, we're making another recipe, something you could bring to a party, serve to a group of people, serve at a gathering, whatever. It's the holidays right now. It's December. Don't know when you're watching this, but if you're watching it now, it's December, so it's holiday party season. So we're making a bunch of videos of stuff you can make and bring to a party or serve at your own party. But these recipes are good for all year round, any gathering you need to feed people. Today, we are making, for anyone who's a McDonald's fan, we're gonna make some Big Mac sliders. They're gonna be delicious. They're gonna come together pretty quick, super easy. So hey, without further ado, let's go. All right, so for these Big Mac sliders, what we're gonna do, and we're gonna make a real, I'm gonna make this most simplified version possible. And then if you wanna add any flair or double the patties or anything like that, you go for it. But I'm just gonna show you the most simple way to make these. So we're just gonna make a single patty Big Mac slider. So first thing we do is take a pound of ground beef in a sheet pan with some foil. I put a little bit of spray oil on this foil. We're just gonna make this into, as best we can, a rectangle that is about a ½ inch thick. So we want this to be about the size of our Hawaiian rolls, but a little bit bigger. So, and then just kind of make this into the best rectangle you can. And then we want to make it a little bit bigger than a Hawaiian roll loaf because as this cooks, it's going to shrink. That should be about perfect. And because this is a real thin patty, we only need to season one side, and because it would be impossible to do the other side. So season this with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. And then we're gonna toss this into our 350 oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until the meat is cooked through. You can tell when ground beef is cooked, but also you can measure it. We want it to be at least 140. So here we go. While our beef is cooking, we're gonna make us some Big Mac sauce. They've changed the recipe on this a few times, and everybody has their own spin on it. So this is mine, but essentially it's going to be a mix of ketchup, mayo, and relish. And then people add different stuff. It's essentially just a fry sauce. If you know, you know. So about a ½ cup of mayo, a few tablespoons of ketchup, tablespoon of pickle relish, dash of Worcestershire sauce, some minced garlic, and I believe the original recipe also had some horseradish. Probably not that much, or that much garlic, but hey, this is my sauce, so I'll make it how I want to. Then we're just going to mix this up. Perfect. All right, next, King's Hawaiian rolls, everyone's favorite. And then what I like to do is I like to separate it into two because then it's easier to cut in half and actually get it straight, which I'm still not very good at, but. Okay, I really f***ed that up, oh well. We take our sauce and we just sort of spread it on the top and bottom buns. See, I told you I was bad at this thing, cutting it. Oh well, it'll still work. So once your beef is done, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the liquid. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna place our rolls right here like this. That, oh shit. Then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna see if we can do this here. Oh yeah, look at that, okay. So our beef shrank a little bit more than I wanted it to, but that's okay. That's gonna have to work. Then we're just gonna put some cheese on top of here. And then some pickles. And you could put as many pickles as you want. If you love pickles, you could load it up with a whole layer of pickles. And then you would put some diced onions, but I'm gonna leave those out because of Nash. Put our lids back on here. Then we're just gonna brush the tops and the sides with some melted butter. Then sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds or regular sesame seeds on top. And you can customize this too. You can add some shredded lettuce right now before you put the tops back on. Or if you like your shredded lettuce cold and crispy, the best thing to do would probably be add them at the end. I don't have any lettuce I don't have any iceberg lettuce, so we'll probably just leave that out. But then we throw this into our 350 oven for about 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the tops are a little bit crispy. So here they are, right out of the oven. Just gonna kind of cut one of them open and see what we got here. And there's our little slider. And there is our Big Mac sliders. Time for a bite. Cheers. Tastes just like a Big Mac, I'll be honest. So delicious, probably even a little bit better. You got that Big Mac sauce, the burger, the cheese, and then the Hawaiian rolls are just amazing. So they make everything good. You got the toasted sesame seeds on top. It's just really good. So hey, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend, and super easy to make. I would do a couple things differently. I'd obviously make the patty a little bit bigger or spread it out a little bit more because it shrank a little bit more than I expected. And I would do a better job cutting my rolls. But hey, all in all, super delicious. Definitely try this. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing? Check it out. We got these little Big Mac sliders for you that you wanted. Here you go. What do you think?
Mmm, delicious. 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. We got most of it right, and it tastes amazing.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The secret of life, though, is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times.
Nash approves, I approve. Another winner to take to a party, serve at your own party, bring to any sort of gathering. Everyone loves a Big Mac, and these are delicious. Super easy to make, so go ahead and try it. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Love you all, means a lot. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. We'd really appreciate that as well. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Happy holidays. Until next time, peace.